Fuel prices continue to surge across the country as petrol and diesel prices record the 23rd hike this month. In Delhi as well as in Kolkata, petrol prices are now inching closer to the rupees 110 per litre mark, whereas in Mumbai it is selling for rupees 114 per litre. Fuel prices have been hiked almost on a daily basis this month, and it's not just that. Due to fuel price hike, there has been food price inflation as well as rise in transportation costs as well.
All across the country today, petrol and diesel prices have been shooting up. There's been a constant hike, paisa by paisa, and the common man is being the most burdened. Well, here in Bengaluru, I'd like to tell you that petrol prices have touched about 112 rupees a litre, and diesel prices have in fact almost shot up to about 103. Now, this is the plight of the common man. The governments have been listening to the constant coverage from various channels, from various ports as well, where people have been complaining, and yet nothing is being done. Now, I'm going to be talking to a student here who's heavily dependent on his bike, with probably a limited budget or the limited amount of pocket money, how he's managing. I want to ask you, you are a student, you use your bike to go to college, you were telling us. How are you managing? Your expenses must have shot up.
Yeah. Like before I used to go in like school bus and all. So nowadays I'm independent, I have got my license. So it's costing me around 200 to 150 rupees to go to my college and come. So it's a lot for a student.
That was the voice of a student over here who's probably functioning on a limited budget, on some pocket money that he's being given right now by his parents. And he tells us that he's spending nearly 200 rupees just on a daily basis to go to college and back. And it's not just him, there are several others like him who are in the same boat today. And hopefully, the Karnataka government, at least the Chief Minister, had said they would review the financial situation and take a call on cutting taxes. Hopefully, that's done at the earliest.
As far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, now the petrol price mark is inching towards 106 rupees and diesel is inching towards 102 rupees. And continuously, we are reflecting the mood of the people. We have seen people are outraging on this petrol price hike. They say this petrol price hike, this diesel price hike has taken a very big dent on their monthly budget. And this has also led to the price rise of all other essential commodities also. And we are joined by a customer here. Sorry, the continuous petrol price, how do you see the continuous petrol price?
It's a drastic change in this. So we can't put the money like this petrol amount.
Sir, how much it is affecting your daily commute, sir? Because you will be spending a particular sum of amount on the petrol, but now after the increase, how it is affecting your monthly budget?
Daily I put 200 rupees petrol per day, but now it's 300 per day. So it's monthly it's become 9,000 for petrol only. My salary is like 25 to 30, but more than a single part of amount is going for petrol only.
Daily it will be affecting me. Normally I will be putting petrol for 100 rupees per day. So it is now my budget has increased 1,000 rupees more for increase of the petrol. It's happening daily.
So it is not only the price of petrol prices, sir. How it has now
prices, even if the petrol prices increases, other commodities also be increasing. It has to be addressed drastically. Immediately they have to address. Someone has to take the initiative step for this addressing this.
We are voicing out the mood of the people. They say that there should be an immediate intervention, and this petrol price rise have rapidly led to the increase of price rise of other essential commodities also.